Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I'll show you how you can use CouponBet to find contact information from the airlines. So sometimes you might want to call the airline regarding to a certain case or a specific question. With CouponBet, we have a database with all the contact information from every airline available in the Philippines. So how can you find this information on CouponBet? So just go to couponbet.com and log in, and once you're logged in, just click here on Tools. Once you click on the tools, you can see here every airline currently available in the Philippines. So what can you do? Well, very simple. You can just scroll down here and you will search here. For example, you want to know from Delta Airlines. You just click here on Delta Airlines, and once you do that, you can see their official logo, you can see their name, you can see the information or their IATA code, their phone number in the Philippines, which is very important. And of course, in case you want to contact their office, you can even visit their office in Makati. So CouponBet helps you to organize your travel agency to serve your customers even better. So are you interested in this and you want to have CouponBet as well? Just go to couponbet.com. And once you're on couponbet.com, you can see here all the information here. You just click here on sign up, and once you click on sign up, you get this wonderful screen here. Put in all your information, put in your existing email address, click register. Once you did that, you get an email from us instantly. Open up the email and click confirm on the link, and your account is good to go. So what are you waiting for? Start and register on CouponBet right away.